Welcome to day 5 of content repurposing tutorials where I'm going to be sharing with you time-saving content ideas for all of you busy creators out there. Today, I'm going to be covering the Instagram remix feature, but make sure you stay to the end where I'm going to show you a special way that I use this feature that nobody else is doing. Today will be a little bit different because we will be repurposing somebody else's content through the remix feature. Not too long ago, Instagram released this new feature that allows us to almost collaborate with different creators and use their content in a remix situation. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here we are in the Reels tab. Now the remix feature can be found by clicking on these 3 dots and you'll see a remix feature. You'll find this feature on most Reels, but on sponsored Reels and some other creators do not allow the remix feature to be used. Here's a little pro tip for you. When you find a video that you like or that you want to repurpose in this way, what I always do is I press save, and what I'm going to do is you use your collections. So I have a collection that is for my repurposed highlights here. So if you have any ideas or things that you want to do or you want to repurpose other people's content frequently, go ahead and make you a new collection so that you can find it easier. Now here is where you can find those saved videos and those collections. You're going to go to your main page, click on these 3 lines right here, go to saved, and then you'll be able to see all of your collections right here. So now I'm going to go to repurposing highlights. For me, that's what I have done. And these are a collection of videos that I would like to highlight at a later date. I'm going to click this reel right here. If it looks like this, you'll need to click on it so that it fully expands, so you have that option to click those 3 dots. I'm going to click the 3 dots and then go to remix. Let's discuss some of the ways that we can remix this particular video. We can press this camera right here and we have different options. The layouts, which I'll show you all the different layouts. You can do a side by side, this is your traditional one where you'll see people just responding or reacting to whatever the creator is saying. And we have a couple different layouts here. So I'll click it again and it can be top to bottom. Click it again. You can have the picture-in-picture type view where you can, react. And then you have what I like the best is the green screen one right here. So we can pinch and make ourselves smaller to put us wherever we are, and we can just listen and respond or react to it. Okay, so you see the audio, the add yours, layouts, dual camera, things of that nature, but pretty much for these repurposing one, we want to focus on layouts. So I'm just going to show you the traditional way once more. Press this here, and what people will do is literally just be on here and just listen.
When it comes to being a creative in today's world, you need to be optimizing and repackaging and repurposing every piece of content that you put out. All of these.
So that's a typical way that people would utilize a remix feature like this. They'd be nodding and pointing and things of that nature, and you can further customize by pressing next. You can add things like text and stickers and things of that nature and just time it to be able to fit your needs for what you are trying to also portray with that creator. Then after you've customized, you can press next again, and you can add your description and things of that nature. The difference is when you post this, it is going to be a post that is kind of collaborating with the creator of your choice.
And repackaging and
using remixes is a great way to increase your consistency and collaborate with other creators on the Instagram platform. Finding a few creators who are similar to your message or your niche and being able to remix their content is a great way for you to increase your consistency as well. Now I'm going to show you my special way that I use the Instagram remix feature, not just to point or nod and agree, but to insert my own personal opinions inside of the remix feature and use it as a piece of content as well. So I'm back in my repurposing highlights collection and I'm going to choose this video right here. Remember to tap all the way through so you're actually inside of the reel. Now what I'm going to do is press these 3 buttons right here. And I'm going to press remix. I'm also going to press the camera. And for this one, we're going to use a layout that is the green screen feature, which I love so much. And I'm going to just put myself down here. And here's the way that I'm able to give comments and speak on this reel. I'm going to turn my phone all the way down. The phone volume needs to be all the way down so that you are not picking up any of the audio from the actual reel and you can speak clearly. So let's get started. What a cool way to create content, being able to utilize the comments from your followers to be able to instruct you to do things like this. We have this creator here who's doing dance moves only from comments that she's getting from her followers. So you can do things like move yourself as well. So I'm moving myself over here. How are you allowing your followers to help you collaborate and create new and engaging content? All right, just still making it different so I can continue to interrupt patterns and things of that nature. Let's see where I can go. I think I can use something like this to help me repurpose content. So taking the suggestions from the people and being able to put it into action, just like she is right here. Okay, so we've done that there. And now what we're going to do is press next. And what we can do is go to the music tab. And this is where you see the original and you have the camera audio. Now, let's just hear it with the original. Okay, you can't hear me. But when we go here and we turn my camera audio up, we can turn this all the way down. And let's see. We collaborate and create new and engaging content. So this way, especially when you have a reel that just has music on it, you can still use their music, turn it down, and you can turn your voice up so that you can get the best of both worlds. I'm going to turn the music down just a little bit since I'm just a little bit low, since I wasn't screaming into the mic. And I'll do it about, 2 or 3, and we can still get a good mix of my voice, but then still the background music so people can know it's a dancing video. I think I can use something like this to help me repurpose content. And like I said, this is a great way to give your comments and your thoughts and appreciation for the different content that you're seeing. What we can do after that is just press next, add your description. You'll be able to draft or go ahead and post your remix and still be a collaborator with that other creator. If you'd like a more in-depth full review on how you can create Instagram remixes, I have an Instagram remix masterclass that you can check out in the description below. Be sure to join me tomorrow in day 6 where I'm going to show you how to repurpose with a tweet.